Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to describe new features of PHP 8.4 property hooks with example. One of the biggest change in PHP, it eliminating the need for a lot of boilerplate code. Property hooks, allowing each property to define its own get and set hooks. It remove a lot of getters and setters. Hooks are optional, and you don't have to add both of them on a specific property. Let's take an example of property hooks. Create class A. Now create variable string type full name. And now define hooks. Write set and set the value. Now write getter via syntax get. Set full name variable. Now get the full name variable. Let's run to see the result. Running successfully. Hooks are optional, and you don't have to add both of them on a specific property. For example, if I comment get in this code, I am able to print without writing get. You can also write set like this, variable type and variable name. If I remove string, let's run to see the error. It's mandatory to set variable type inside set. Let's run to see the result. Let's define two variables first and last. I want to set and get these two variables inside the full name variable. Also, print first variable. Let's run to see the result. Add PHP EOL for next line. Let's see without setter. Let's add variables inside constructor. Comment set. Set value inside class. Running successfully. If I uncomment full name variable to set, let's run to see the error. Getting error, you can read only, do not set value. In this tutorial, I am going to describe new feature of PHP 8.4, new without parentheses, with example. In this feature, you don't have to wrap new invocations within parentheses anymore to be able to chain methods on them. So instead of doing this, you can now do this. Create class A. and write function test. Create object and call function without using parentheses. Let's check. Running successfully. Hello friends, in this tutorial I will describe one of the new features of PHP 8.4, asymmetric visibility. Before discussing asymmetric visibility, let's quickly define access specifiers. Public, accessible from anywhere, inside and outside the class. Protected, accessible only within the class and by derived child classes. Private, accessible only within the class in which it is defined. Summary table. Now let's discuss asymmetric visibility. Asymmetric visibility allows class properties to define their visibility, public protected or private, based on the read or write context. Example of asymmetric visibility are public properties that can only be changed from within the class. If I write this code, after running, this is the result. If I try to set this property, you will get a visibility error. Because public properties that can only be changed within a private context are the most common use case for asymmetric visibility, there's also a shorthand available, same as public-private set. Class properties must have a type to define separate visibility, and the set visibility must be the same as or more restrictive than get. Let's look at an example. Now you will get this error. If I write this code, in this tutorial, I will describe one of the new features of PHP 8.4, new array functions, that include array find key, array any, and array all. Array find function takes an array and callback, and will return the first element for which the callback returns true. Let's take an example of an animal array and find first string or animal name start from C without using array find function. Use for each to access each value. Now check string first letter. If match, save it to animal variable and break the loop. Use var dump to print the value. Let's do this using array find function. Array find function takes an array and callback. Return if st starts with C.